Hey friends, if you wish to add a language on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side and select language and region in the right pane. To add a language, simply click on add language. Find the language that you wish to add. Let's say you wish to add Arabic Syria. Click on next. Check the features that it has. It only has the handwriting feature, so this might not be the best option for you, but you have to choose accordingly. Click on install. In many cases, Windows will only allow one display language, and there are some multiple language windows as well. Okay, so to push your language to the top, let's say that this was the language, simply click on move up till it reaches the top, and that becomes the default language. You can also change the display language from here, but only when it's on the top, because it only supports one language in my computer. Maybe in some computers it supports more than one language. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.